Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add aggressive shake effect to your video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to add my video to the timeline. I'm going to apply aggressive shake effect to this video. If we want to do that, we can go to the effect menu and then we're going to search for the shake effect. Okay, make sure you have good internet connection to get the effect, and I'm going to apply this effect guys. You can add the effect to your video like this, and to make it aggressive we're going to increase the strength and the speed as well, and this is the final result. As you can see that the aggressive shake effect has been applied to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add aggressive shake effect to our video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.